clear to te in zavain kalolom veka cheu tunruma chuan subscriber te request Singaporian competitive eaters zermett nio hi kan bi chiang don ani he pasapan ve dak hian engtin nge chutam tak mi somni chuang ei ang hu te hi ama ina ei zo vek thei achu ei te hi arukin alo chak chuak ve thin nge ni a ama hian ei a thei ve shim shim ti te kan en ho don ani kumsom thum paruk mi zermett hi atira chuan ei inti siakna atel thina kumsang ni sompanga khan bultran chawin Singapore mun sang sanga thil in ei siakna atel thina loman po ahung nual to a ama hi Singaporean competitive eater sa chuan a thaber ti asoi ani
or anything. I was just
ama hian video a cover na changte a shelem lawa a chianten phone in an lo lak saka chu YouTube pa an han upload a an be se aya entu alo nei theta wangin kumsang ni sompariat khan a hna ban sanin ei hi ei zon nan a mangta top mai ani ei kan hmu nan a thenin ei zon na kan dapa ani chuan ei kha ei zon nan a mang ber ti na ani chu awa hanin an lo thei thin em
or can no. I like this one. This is actually very nice. This cooked salmon or something. So fresh. Yeah, certain stuff I want to avoid. Stuff like this and that one. Those are big serving. If I come here and eat, I would take, but not during the contest. But right guys, the miso soup is part of the thing. So one miso soup is one plate as well. When you join this contest, right, you need to finish all that radish and everything. It's not just eating all that sashimi and then that's it. 我几盘了
mi chuma sushi ei dan hi thiam lo kan takin kan soi lo kanga plate som nga kha minute som nga chunga an ei zo man chuan an discount dona chutiang zelin plate som ruk plate som sari a plate tam kha chuan discount kha tam ve zelani ti chuan he ei le in hian plate som nga loi kha minute som pathum chung lekena ei zo mana an hun siam minute som nga chung khan plate za som ni pakhat lai a ei zo hem mai ani competitive eaters atangin mukbanger sa insona competitive eating at chuan hun binein an eya ma se mukbanga chuan hun bia omlem lawa a hadam zok ani mel mi te shiat a hlo chautana ama puitur hian mi paruk lai a chorba ka producer shante anei thlap bokani video an siam ma hian zirchana uluk takin an nei masa vek thina social media a pholang turan ni awangin an video siam tura hian midang te tan poi tura omem enge an video kaltlang hlok na tule mingchia theina tur ang zong zong te an zir chiang ma support zela hetia chotam tham tak ei ma hian darkar somni atanga darkar somni palite thil ei mi alawina in shek thina hetia in shek chung hian tuiluma ina acho ei zoa tuilum boka in le thin ani
just the base itself is incredible. Oh, the warm ones are the best. Get a warm custard, and then the edges so nice and crispy. Sean just mentioned something. He asked me whether if it's airy inside. It's not. There's no air. Inside it's just custard and layers. Not much air in there. Good. Yeah, so they have a total of 5 outlets. The vibe is very cozy. It's like a very sort of like
mukbanga in son nu hian athil ei tur hi ataksai na zo tok turan sia theinan mumal takinan buk thina hetia eya thei ema wang hian mithen khat hian ei zo a in komlok thina anin ngaya ma se zermett hian achang chon kapwar lutuka wang hian luak vak chang kaneya ma se ashon pa in ke in komlok ngai lo ti in asoyani mithen khat chuan ni tin hetia angza treng ei tur an ngaya ma se chotam tham lutuk ang ei tur hi chuan atlem bera ni thum a ol thina ni
size of this thing. So this is it, guys. This thing you guys probably can see on the camera. This thing is massive. I am not even 100% sure if I can finish this, but the thing is, this is year end now, and I'm like sort of contest prepping. So this is why I want to push a little bit. If I finish, I finish. If I can't, then it is what it is. I got both my live stream going. Okay, so if I can't finish, am I supposed to mix it up? Mix try. Oh, 我先 mix 这个。Oh, you need to mix it. It's not at first bite. I thought why so bland. My team was asking me if I need a bigger spoon. It's never about the size of the spoon. It's how you use it and the capacity. Okay, guys, I'm moving a bit quicker because if I don't, I'll fail. I'll be 100% honest here. I need to go semi-competitive mode. I'm almost done with the OG flavor. It's tomato-y, garlic-y.
makdeu mai chu ama hi dietitian ani a ama po hian hei hi mitam takin an shilawa ka inzir na sa a dietitian kani na hian tam taka min puya chu mai ba ka cardio exercise katina sa ema a bikin skipping hi katina sa zwalti in asoyani hawker how asiam ena sa a achan chu Singapore kholaya eile inte chu khovel mit mu a pholan adu wangle hetia a video a anlan awang hian customer an nga pha ve viau thin ani ome zermett chuan hetia chotam deuh e thin te hian kumsom li vela hian an taksa shi selna an ngai poimu awangin an chol san thina chol san em chu katum lawa ama ero chu ka eizat hi chu ti tlem katum chotam tak ka e thei to lo huna chuan khovel mun sang sanga zin kwalin until e thin te ka e kwalanga vlog katum ti in asoyani
I know it sounds a bit weird.
khati zong khani le phot se video de in request thina in chunga kalom ema ti chuan thlir tu do om tak tak te darkar somni pali in shek ril tram vetala a ei angza hi ei thei iring ve emle achana chu comment lama khan o in zawa hin hun man non vek ule